Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchi Tech. So today I have for you another unboxing, but before I get into this, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have uploads on this channel. Okay, so as you can see, I have in front of me here an Amazon package. So I went online, was browsing through on Amazon the other day and saw some really cheap cases. I got like 3 cases for $7. So this is the first one that came in the mail, and we're gonna unbox this today and take a look at it. Okay, so I haven't been posting videos on my channel in a while since I've been really busy with work and all that, but I do find time to get a few videos in here and there, so please bear with me as I'm trying to work with you guys with this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, open this package here, see which one of them. I'm not sure which one this is that came in the mail, but I'm gonna take a look because I ordered 3 cases, but this one came. I'm gonna open this one, see which one it is, and put it on the phone, see what it looks like. All right, so let's open this up, and this is Pursue Forever, so anti-impact and green materials. It says premium materials, so I'm gonna go ahead, open this up and take a look at it. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, let's see, this is interesting. Did not expect 2 packages, but for some reason I got 2 packages in this here. So let's take this and put this aside, and we're gonna open these up. This says ultra thin, fits perfectly, full protection. This is the case right here. So what is this? Let's open this up, take a look at this, because I was expecting the case only, but for some reason everyone, it seemed like someone put an extra case in this package, because it was only supposed to be this case that I remember ordering. This one right here, I'm not aware of this one, but seems like something good happened today. After all this trouble I had setting up to make this video, finally got a reward. So seemed like I got an extra case in this package. I did not order this case, and it was shipped as well, so that's a bonus. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you as well. So this is DANBEY case for iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7 blue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up first, because it's not the one I ordered, but I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like and how it fits. Wow, let's get this package aside. This case looks really nice. Look at this, really nice material. Color seems very similar to the iPhone. Nice color match right there. Soft and rubbery on the inside. You got our volume up, volume down. We got our silent switch on and off at the side, and our power button here on the right. This camera bump here seems like it offers a little bit of protection here, since it has a little bit of raise, and the nice squared off edges. So I'm pretty sure you can't wait to see how this looks on the iPhone. And again, I did not order this case. I ordered this one right here, and this also came in the package. So seemed like I got a free case here. Can't complain about that. So I'm gonna go ahead, look at this color compared to the iPhone before I put it on here. That's how it looks, really nice. Okay, and let's snap this in. Fits nice and snug. Wow, nice flush edges here, nice squared off edges on the phone case. We got our cutout here. volume up, volume down, silent switch. We got our speaker grill at the bottom cut out, the charger port, power button here on the side, and it has a little bit of protection on the camera here. As you can see, it raised above the camera a little bit to offer some protection. So let's put this on a flat surface and look how perfect that sits. No form of movement right there. All right, and look, now the color pretty much matches up with the iPhone. This is a really close match to the Pacific Blue iPhone. This case color here is not far off. Look at that. The camera bump and the case pretty much almost the same exact color. So this case, I'm gonna look this up on Amazon and put the link in the description. So if you want to purchase this case, you can get it, because I didn't order this one. It came probably by mistake with the one that I ordered. So I'm gonna have the link in the description just in case you want to purchase this case. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Feels very nice. It feels really grippy, guys. Rub my hands on there. Feels really grippy. It has like a texture to it, like a matte texture, and it's really grippy. It's not slippery at all. It looks really nice on the iPhone. Really nice. The color, I have different cases in blue, and this is the closest one I've ever seen to the iPhone. Not even that blue Apple case gets as close to the color as this, because the blue case that Apple offers, that blue is totally different from the blue on the Pacific Blue iPhone. So without further ado, I'm gonna take this case off and we're gonna snap the other one on that I ordered. All right, so let's move this out of the way. So the one I ordered came in this box here, which is Pursue Forever, and this is says anti-impact and green materials, but this is a kind of carbon fiber case. Has a carbon fiber look to it. Let's open this, put that aside, put this aside, and we're gonna take a look at this case now. So we're gonna move this out the way since we're done with that one. So as I said before, that previous case that I opened, you see this blue is totally different now. It's not as close to the iPhone as the other case, and this, as you can see, it has kind of carbon fiber texture in the back, but it's transparent. Has some nice grid off edges. Got the power button here on the right side. Got your cutout for the silent switch. The volume up and down on the side here, and it has the engravement for the plus and minus for the volume, and also for the power icon here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on the iPhone, and as you can see, this blue is different from the previous blue that I showed you, but the case looks really nice. See how it looks in the back, blends in really nice with the phone. So when the phone is inserted in the case, it does form a darker look in the back, makes it look less transparent, and you can see the Apple logo through here as well if I tilt the phone. All right, and it has protection for your cameras as well. As you can see, the bump here on the back, and the cutout, they're pretty accurate. Looks really nice and premium. The bottom is already cut out here as well for your speaker grill and your charging port. Okay, so face down, it has a little raise here over the screen, so you're pretty much protected if you put your phone face down. Also on the back, fits really flat and nice. Has a little bit of rock to it, but that's how it is. You're not gonna get much better than that if you want to have your camera protected. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna have the link in the description for this case if you want to go ahead and purchase this one as well. Looks really nice on the iPhone, the Pacific Blue, because this is a blue carbon fiber look that you get here as well. So the case is a little transparent, as I mentioned before, so the Apple icon shows, and when you put the phone in, let me remove the phone so you can see how it looks with the case off like this. See how transparent that is? You can see right through it. But as soon as you put the case on the phone here, you can see how nice that looks. It just gives it a nice look. That transparency is not as transparent as before without the phone, and it looks really nice, blends in really nice. So color wise though, I prefer this one on the left here. It matches closer to the iPhone. See, when I hold them together here, you can see the blues are totally different colors right here. Two different shades of blue right here we got. And let me take them off, put this one back on so you can get another look. See how this one fits. It looks really close. This is the closest color I've seen that pretty much matches the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue. Looks as close as possible to the phone color. I've never got a case that close. So as you can see, if I hold them together here, totally different blues. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I'm gonna have the link in the description for this one that's on the right that I purchased. But this one, I have the package, so I'm gonna look this up on Amazon. Put the link in the description, so if you're interested in getting this case, you can get it. And it does offer a good amount of protection as well, because as you can see, the cameras are protected with the camera bump here in the back, and also it has a little lip that raises over the phone, protects it really well. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the, well, I was supposed to unbox this case, but however, I got a free case, and I think I'm gonna go with the free one. It looks really nice, matches really close with the color of the phone, and I didn't expect that anyone. But hope you enjoy the video. Please consider subscribing, turn your notification bell on to get notified, because I do have 2 more cases that I ordered that I'm gonna unbox pretty soon. Okay, so thank you for watching. Peace.